the Eco Battery 60 amp hour bundle. First, a little bit about Eco Battery. They're a great company with a reputable 8-year warranty on all their batteries. They have cart-specific install bundles and great customer support. That's right, folks, they answer the phone when you call. This 60 amp hour battery is about 1 foot square in size, has 180 continuous amps of power, and up to 360 max amps of power. This makes it a great battery for anyone that has a stock cart, a mildly modified cart, or someone without a bunch of performance upgrades. Mainly just a neighborhood pusher or a golf round or two for a stock golf cart. If you don't see your golf cart listed in the 60 amp hour drop-down menu, it may not be right for you. You may need to jump up to a more powerful 105 amp hour battery from Eco. Most cart-specific bundles from Eco come with a battery, any applicable hardware, an onboard 15 amp charger, a cart-specific plug port, a CAN integrated state of charge meter, and a 12 volt converter. This 12 volt converter is to convert 48 volts from the battery down to 12 volts for all of your 12 volt devices as to not harm them. Examples would be your radio, lights on your golf cart, cell phone chargers, etc. Overall, this is a great battery from a very reputable company, one of the top 60 amp hour choices in today's market.